There is something magical about walking into a house that feels warm before anyone even speaks. You know the kind of place. The cushions are soft, the light is gentle, the corners feel alive, and everything seems to whisper, "Stay a while." Most of the time, that feeling does not come from expensive furniture or glossy decor magazines. It comes from texture, it comes from care, and very often it comes from crochet. Crochet home decor is not just about yarn and hooks. It is about transforming a house into a story. It is about turning empty walls and quiet tables into expressions of personality, memory, culture, and love. It is the art of weaving comfort into everyday spaces. Years ago, there was a woman named Nadia who moved into a new apartment in the city. The space was modern and minimal. White walls, gray tiles, large windows. It looked beautiful in pictures, but when she sat alone on her sofa at night, she felt something missing. The apartment echoed. It did not yet feel like hers. One weekend, she visited her mother, who lived in a small countryside home filled with handmade items. There were crocheted table runners on wooden tables, delicate doilies resting beneath ceramic bowls, soft blankets draped over chairs, and plant holders hanging by the windows. The home did not match any design trend, yet it felt rich and welcoming. "Why does your house feel so alive?" Nadia asked. Her mother smiled and held up her crochet hook. "Because I put my time into it." That sentence stayed with Nadia. When she returned to her apartment, she bought yarn, not because she needed decoration, but because she needed warmth. Crochet home decor begins with intention. It begins with the desire to personalize a space instead of simply filling it. One of the greatest values of crochet in interior design is uniqueness. No two handmade pieces are exactly alike. Even when following the same pattern, the tension of stitches, the choice of color, and the rhythm of the maker create subtle differences. That individuality gives a home character. The first piece Nadia created was a throw blanket for her sofa. She chose earthy tones, cream, caramel, and muted terracotta to soften the cool gray of her living room. A crocheted throw does more than provide warmth on chilly evenings. It breaks the visual stiffness of structured furniture. It invites touch. It signals comfort. From a design perspective, crochet introduces texture. Modern homes often lean towards smooth surfaces, glass, metal, polished wood. While these materials are elegant, they can feel cold. Crochet brings softness that balances those elements. It absorbs light gently, creating shadows that add depth to a room. Texture is not just visual, it's emotional. When someone sits on a couch and wraps themselves in a crocheted blanket, they feel held. That feeling cannot be replicated by synthetic, mass-produced decor. As Nadia worked on her blanket, she noticed something else. The repetitive motion of crocheting calmed her busy thoughts. After long days at work, she would sit quietly, counting stitches. The rhythm became a form of therapy. This is another essential value of crochet home decor: mental wellness. Creating with your hands reduces stress, encourages mindfulness, and builds patience. Soon, her living room began to change. She added crocheted cushion covers. Instead of buying new pillows, she simply made removable covers that transformed the look of her existing ones. This is where sustainability enters the story. Crochet allows homeowners to refresh spaces without discarding usable furniture. By creating covers, runners, and decorative accents, you extend the life of what you already own. Sustainability is one of the strongest values in handmade decor. When you choose natural fibers, such as cotton, wool, or bamboo yarn, you reduce reliance on plastic-based decor items. You minimize waste. You create long-lasting pieces instead of disposable seasonal decorations. As Nadia's confidence grew, she began experimenting with table decor. She crocheted a delicate table runner for her dining area. The intricate pattern allowed the wooden surface beneath to peek through, blending craftsmanship with nature. When sunlight streamed through the window, it cast lace-like shadows across the table. Guests began noticing the changes. "Where did you buy this?" they would ask. "I made it," she would reply with quiet pride. That pride is another value. Crochet home decor builds confidence. It reminds you that you are capable of creating beauty. It shifts you from consumer to creator. In the bedroom, Nadia introduced softer tones. She crocheted bedside table mats to rest beneath her lamp and books. Small details matter. A simple mat prevents scratches while adding charm. She crafted a lightweight bedspread, choosing breathable cotton for comfort. Unlike heavy synthetic covers, crochet allows airflow. It's practical and beautiful.
Thicker yarns create chunky blankets and textured poofs. In warmer seasons, lighter cotton pieces maintain freshness without heaviness. This adaptability adds value to home decor. You do not need to replace everything, you can simply adjust layers. One afternoon, Nadia decided to tackle wall decor. Instead of framed art, she created a large crocheted wall hanging featuring geometric patterns in neutral shades. Wall hangings soften vertical spaces, especially in rooms with high ceilings. They absorb sound slightly, making large spaces feel cozier. Crochet plant hangers became her next project. Hanging greenery by the window brought life into her apartment. The handmade holders complemented the organic nature of the plants. This combination of yarn and greenery creates harmony. It blends craft with nature. As her home transformed, so did her emotional connection to it. She no longer felt like a temporary occupant. She felt rooted. Crochet home decor also carries cultural value. Across generations and continents, crochet has been part of family traditions. Grandmothers pass down patterns, communities gather to share techniques. Incorporating crochet into home design connects modern living spaces to heritage. In some cultures, intricate doilies were once displayed as symbols of skill and patience. Today, they can be reimagined in contemporary color palettes, blending tradition with modern style. This fusion keeps history alive while embracing present-day aesthetics. Another important value is affordability. Interior design can be expensive. High-end decor brands charge significant amounts for textured pieces that imitate handmade crafts. With crochet, you control the budget. Yarn is relatively affordable, and tools are minimal. The true investment is time, but that time becomes part of the story. As Nadia continued decorating, she noticed how crochet influenced the atmosphere of gatherings. Friends lingered longer. They curled up on the sofa. They touched the cushions and blankets. Her apartment no longer felt like a showroom. It felt like a home. Crochet also offers flexibility in design themes. Whether your style is bohemian, minimalist, rustic, vintage, or modern, crochet adapts. Neutral tones complement minimalism. Bold colors enhance eclectic spaces. Chunky stitches fit rustic interiors. Delicate lace patterns suit vintage themes. Lighting interacts beautifully with crochet. Lamps placed near textured pieces cast intricate shadows. A crocheted lampshade cover diffuses light softly, creating warmth. However, safety must always be considered. Materials should not be placed directly against high-heat bulbs. Awareness ensures that beauty does not compromise safety. Storage solutions can also be enhanced through crochet. Handmade baskets and storage bins add charm while keeping clutter organized. Thick, tightly stitched designs provide structure. These baskets can hold magazines, remote controls, toys, or blankets. In the kitchen, crochet can appear in practical forms: dishcloths, pot holders, and jar covers. Cotton yarn is ideal because it withstands heat and washing. These pieces combine function with aesthetic appeal. Even everyday tasks feel softer when surrounded by handmade items. As months passed, Nadia realized that her apartment reflected her personality more clearly than ever before. The colors she chose mirrored her moods. The patterns she selected revealed her love for symmetry and calm. Crochet home decor encourages intentional living. When you create something by hand, you think carefully about where it will go, how it will be used, and what feeling it will evoke. That mindfulness extends beyond decor. It influences how you approach space itself. One evening, as rain tapped gently against the windows, Nadia sat on her sofa, wrapped in the very first blanket she had made. She looked around her living room, the wall hanging, the cushions, the plant holders, the table runner, and felt a quiet sense of accomplishment. Her home no longer echoed, it breathed. Crochet home decor embodies emotional value. Each stitch holds a moment. Each completed piece represents patience. Unlike factory-made items, handmade decor carries memory. You remember where you were when you made it. You remember the music playing in the background. You remember the challenges you overcame. There's also social value. Crochet groups, both local and online, bring people together. Sharing patterns, exchanging ideas, and celebrating finished projects build community. Homes decorated with crochet often spark conversation, connecting people through craft. Educational value emerges as well. Learning crochet techniques develops concentration and fine motor skills. It encourages problem solving. Patterns require counting, attention, and creativity. These skills extend beyond crafting. Durability adds another layer of value. Well-made crochet pieces can last decades. With proper care, they withstand washing and daily use. Unlike trendy decor that fades quickly, handmade items remain timeless. Crochet also allows for personalization in ways that store-bought decor cannot. You can customize size, color, texture, and design to fit exact measurements and preferences. Need a runner that fits a narrow table perfectly? Make it. Want cushions in a specific shade that is not available in stores? Create them. As Nadia's confidence grew, she began teaching her younger cousin how to crochet. They spent weekends laughing over tangled yarn and uneven stitches. The craft became a bridge between generations. Years later,